Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and in today's video I want to show you how I made this citrus polymer clay canes. So let's get started. In this video I'm going to be using two types of polymer clay. I'm going to be using the translucent clay for the inside and the regular polymer clay for the outside of the canes. First, I'm conditioning the clay, making sure it's soft and ready. After that, I'm flattening it and covering with the white acrylic paint. While it was drying, I did the same procedure with orange and green translucent clay. And then when the paint got dry, I started chopping the yellow color into different size pieces. And right after that, I started attaching them all together. So acrylic paint helps to create that effect of those cells on the inner side of the citrus. Here's how it looks on the inside. Then I'm attaching two parts together and shrinking it a little bit. On top, I'm adding on a thin layer of the white polymer clay and start reducing that cane. Then I'm slicing it into 8 equal size pieces, making sure that they all of the same size. Here's how it looks on the inside. And after that, I start pinching them from one side to create that like a drop shape. I didn't want to add a lot of the white clay into the center, so I made sure to squeeze them even a little bit more to reduce the width. And after that, I'm filling in the gap in the middle with the white clay. making sure that all pieces are stuck together and adding on a really thin string of white clay in between to fill in the gaps. On top of that, I'm adding a thin layer of the white clay to even out the surface. And right on top of that, I'm adding slightly thicker layer of the yellow clay. And here how it looks like, and now it's time to reduce the skein. I start by pushing from the center to the sides, kind of stretching it out, and then little by little I start rolling it. And here's how it looks. This is the size that I'm gonna be using. And I'm doing the same exact procedure for the orange and green clay. And here are my citrus skeins. I'm gonna show you in the next video what I decided to do with them. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.